Hello everyone! I have a very nice product over here I would like to share it with you. It's a nut milk maker from MOVNO store and I received it for relation purposes and this is my personal opinion. It's very nicely designed, compact size and yet it provided with the large capacity of 34 ounces that easily makes for up to 5 cups of nut milk at once. And it's very simple to use. It's designed with 8 presets including soy milk, nut milk, oat milk, rice paste, juice. It can simply boil the water, so it meets different needs. Besides that, it also has a keep warm function and a self-cleaning function, which is very convenient, so you can save a lot of time and effort on cleaning it. And it also designed with the delay start function for up to 12 hours, so you can set any time and have your nut milk ready when you want it. And it's so easy to make nut milk. All you have to do is just to add all the ingredients and press a button. It takes minutes to make any nut milk, so you can enjoy freshly made milk without any additives right at your home. Additionally, it comes with the measuring cup, silicone spatula, cleaning brush, and 2 nut milk bags. And it also comes with the recipe book with delicious recipes you can try. This nut milk maker is very nice. It's so simple to use. Perfect addition to any kitchen, especially if you're on a plant-based diet or have kids at home. I like this product very much and I highly recommend it to you.